Hello students, today I am giving the previous question paper for BSc third semester physics subject according to CBCS syllabus. The topic for this physics is thermal physics and statistical mechanics, and this is for the year 2019 previous question paper. So if you refer these one or two three question papers, then it will be benefited for that students. As we know that in the February the upcoming examination is going to be conducted from the Gulbarga University, Gulbarga. As we know the pattern of the examination, so we have to answer any 10 of the following in 2 to 3 sentences, and here we have to answer 10 questions out of 12, and for that each question carries 2 marks. In this video I am giving you only the questions, so in the next video I am trying to solve these questions, so let us wait for that next video. Now I will reading these questions only. Define adiabatic and isobaric process, state Carnot's theorem, state first law of thermodynamics, write Maxwell's four thermodynamic relations, define enthalpy of the system, what is refrigerant, give examples, what is the ratio of specific heat of monoatomic and diatomic gas, on what factors the coefficient of viscosity of a gas depends, what is the black body, state Wien's displacement law, calculate the radiant emittance of a black body at a temperature of 400 K and 2000 K. What is the difference between bosons and fermions? What is position space, and find the volume element in position space. So this is a very scoring one, because each question carries 2 marks, and you have to write only 2 to 3 sentences, and we know all the important topics that will may ask in the examination. In the second one, answer any 4 of the questions. So here also they will give you 6 questions, and out of 6 questions so you have to answer only 4. Each question carries 5 marks. So explain various thermodynamic process, derive an expression for work done during isothermal process. They might ask isothermal process or derive an expression for work done during an adiabatic process. Explain briefly the principle and working of refrigerator. So we have to draw the diagram, and we have to explain that working of that refrigerator. Obtain an expression for the ratio of specific heat of monoatomic gas. So in that there are two things are there, monoatomic and diatomic. Sometimes they might ask monoatomic gas, and sometimes they might ask diatomic gases. Derive Wien's displacement law from Planck's law of black body radiation. So in this they might ask the Planck's law of radiation, and Rayleigh-Jean's law from Planck's law, or Wien's displacement law from Planck's law. So like this they might ask. Compare basic postulates of Maxwell's, Boltzmann and Bose-Einstein statistics. This is very important. They might ask the comparison between the Maxwell-Boltzmann Bose-Einstein statistics, or Maxwell-Boltzmann or Fermi-Dirac statistics. The third one, answer any 4 of the questions. Here also there are 6 questions. Out of 6 you have to answer 4. Each question carries 10 marks here. So describe the working of Carnot's engine, obtain an expression for the efficiency in terms of temperature of the source and sink, deduce the Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation from Maxwell's thermodynamic relation, explain its application. For 21 they asked for 8 and 2. Obtain an expression for the viscosity of coefficient of gas on the basis of kinetic theory of gases. So here there are 3 expressions that will come. Viscosity of coefficient of gas, calculate the RMS velocity of oxygen molecules. So the one problem is for 2 marks. Explain the distribution of energy of a black body at different temperatures by drawing the graphs. So this comes under the theory of radiation chapter. Derive Maxwell's law of distribution of velocities of molecules of a gas. It's a very big one, so we can left for the optional. And the 24th one is the show that mean velocity, root mean velocity and most probable velocity. So out of 6 we have to answer only the 4 questions, which will see easy to us. In the next video I am going to tell you about the answers for these question paper. So let us discuss in the next video for this question paper. Thank you.